All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Chevy Tahoe. It is the LT model. It's beautiful white with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, roof racks, navigation system, alloy wheels, super nice. Only 18,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, it's gonna be a price right vehicle. This car does have hail damage. The hood does not. That has been repainted, but the fenders, there you go. You can see a couple of them right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there. 7. There's another one hit right here. 7, 8. All right. Got some more up here, obviously, but not so much on the actual body. But up here, definitely. Got some here. All right. Let's open this door so you can see them. You see now? There you go. There you go. It can be seen. There it is. None really there. Some here. We got one there. We got 2 more there. 1 more here. You can see that. Here. Couple here. Couple here. Couple there. Let's see. It's hard to show it. There you go. There they are right there. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? Like I said, not much on the actual body itself, but on any of the edges that are raised up, you're gonna see some dents. All right? Here, we got a dent here. That's just 1. There's 1 right there, 2. No more here. There's another one, 3. Another one, 4. 5, 6. On this side, got another here, right there. Let's see. And that's pretty much it. This fender is not that bad. It's got some 1, 2, 3, 4, but that's not that bad. Some up here on the sail, 1 there, and there it is. Get up here. On the roof, of course, the roof has been hit a few times. There you go. There you go. It looks like a 15-year-old boy, full of pimples. Here's, of course, your your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on that. Tire that is over 7/32. Rear driver's, rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing to that one. Tire that is over 7/32. It does have tow hook. I'm sorry, a tow hitch. Here's your rear driver's side rim. I don't see any curbing. Tire thread is 8/32. Front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see any curbing on that one either. And your tire thread is at 8/32. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's your front driver's seat. Holds the tires, the rips. Does have it is a powered seat. Does come with 1 key fob, 1 key and 1 key fob, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. And get your heated seats right here if camera could focus. There it is. Got your Navi system. Boom. My camera can focus. That is your Navi system. Got your radio stuff. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your mileage of 18,094. Looks good. Everything looks good. I'm gonna wrap it up here, folks, because really the inside looks like freaking beautiful, brand new. Passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Armrest with cup holders. Rear AC controls. You got your AC vents on the top. Back seats look good. Everything looks good, folks. The only thing this car has is really the hail damage. All right, boom. This looks fantabulous. Closing this up. This looks great. I showed you the tires, showed you the rims. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third rows, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. This door, showed you that. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Fender, driver's, showed you that. All right, and there's a dent there. And there's one there, one there. There's one on the side of it. All right, folks. Lights are on, things are running, folks. Once again, this is the 18, Chevy Tahoe LT model with 18,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.